Amazon registered by overseas companies will withhold and pay VAT on the platform, but some local companies in the UK still pay VAT by themselves. Firstly, DIY registration of a British company. I chose Once Formations. 1. The legal person can be non-resident, so I need to choose non-residents. Link in. Don't choose the wrong one. The total price is £124 and 99 pence. 2. Decide the company name by yourself. Once Formations will simply check it, or you could go to HMRC to check whether there are duplicates or not. 3. For UK companies, the signature has legal effect and generally does not require an official seal. It is not mandatory to have a secretary when registering a British company. Therefore, considering the cost, it is not necessary to add them now. If you really need it later, you can buy it later. 4. This step is to register a login account for the Once Formations platform. 5. Recommended credit cards for payment include Visa and Master. 6. The company's registered address is provided by Once Formations. The annual renewal fee is £39 in the future. 7. The charging model of the service address is similar to the registered address. They are same address. The platform will help collect the company's letters and other services. 8. Here is the key information for company registration. There must be a director, can be understood as a domestic legal person, plus shareholder. Generally for companies with individual investment, just fill in one person. 9. As for the delivery method of documents after company registration, I choose electronic version plus paper version. The company's articles of association are provided free of charge. 10. The platform will also provide other services, such as phone calls, seal engraving, secretarial services, etc. You can choose free ones now. 11. I can't post the screenshot of the registration information here. You should check it carefully one by one. The order will take effect after confirmation. Secondly, verification of company legal person identity and other information. 1. CRIDAS. The information authentication process of the legal person is completed after completing the 4 items in the screenshot of the app. 2. The company's shareholders also need to provide formal documents regarding the shareholders' shareholding. This information needs to be sent to the CRIDAS via email. Finally, the submission of British company registration information is completed. Just wait for the news of the company's establishment.